Hello everyone, I am Dr. Uday Pamar working with Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal in the Department of Electronics and Communication as a professor. Today I am discussing about the future scope of electronics and communication. If anybody choosing this branch as their BTech, so there is a lot of option to grow in their future. So I find 5 different domain where they can work or they can build their career. So first point is they can go for a job. In job they have a two choice like hardware engineer or software engineer. So hardware engineer is mainly the work of electronics and communication core sector. So where I must give some core company names like Cadence, Synopsys, IBM, Mentor Graphics. These are some core companies situated in India where a student can make their career as a core engineer. Second is the software engineer. So third option is being an entrepreneurship, they can make their career. So in entrepreneurship, they have a choice to work with some industry or some core industry which can support a student to give some seed funding to grow their startup, their own startup. In fourth domain, government sector and public sector in India, their student can build their career as a engineer in BSNL, ECIL, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Bharat Electronics, GE, HPCL, IOCL. These are the Navratan companies which give the opportunity to our student with the GATE scorecard. So student must have a valid GATE scorecard and they can directly go through the companies. And last choice is the higher study. A student can go with the MTech or integrated course like MTech and PhD in the semiconductor domain, and where they can get a good knowledge in the semiconductor field. And after this in government of India has various funded projects, so they can opt their career as a research engineer or they can choose some university or institute as a teacher. So these are the major scope in electronics and communication. Thank you.